Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, let me show you how to fix the freeze every time you log out of a game on Discord. First, let's open Discord and go to User Settings, scroll down and find Voice and Video. Scroll down till you find Debug Logging and make sure this is disabled. Restart Discord. Next, go back into Settings and scroll down to Advanced. Turn off hardware acceleration. Now close down Discord completely. Search for Discord. Right click and open the file location. Right click again to open the file location. Select the latest app and open it. Find the application called Discord, not icon. Right click and go to the properties. In the compatibility tab, check the box and select Windows 8. Then apply and okay. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.